Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag ArangoDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the ArangoDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with security audit and log setup. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here we have a complete practical and step-by-step guide to the install, secure and enable the audit logging on the ArangoDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server. My server is running with the VMware workstation. So here you can see Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server is there. Now we are going to access this server, including the example for the creating data and reading audit log. So first I'll just access my server, Windows R, CMD, and here we write ssh dept at the rate 192.168.136.128. So while installing, I have given the username, password, and IP address for this. Now first update and upgrade the system packages. Okay. Next, we are going to install the prerequisites dependencies. Then we'll add the repository GPG key and source list file. So after doing this, you have to update your system packages. So sudo apt get update. Now we are going to install the ArangoDB Enterprise Edition 3.12. Okay, so we have to provide the password for the root user. So admin at the rate 123. Repeat your password. We have already created detailed video regarding the installation and configuration. You can go through this. Now start and verify the services. Check the status of the service. So active and running. Here you can see Q for exit. Now check the status we have done. So basic security hardening. So let me so here we'll change the TCP. Go to the end. So we have done this. Now optional restrict to your IP address only. So you can give IP address like that. We have a username, root and password is admin at the rate 123 and enable the authentication. So authentication should be true. So by default this is true. Next, we'll restart the services. So close this one. So changes is done. Now restart the services. Enable the audit logging. So check the Arango version. So we are running with the Enterprise Edition. License is Enterprise. This is for the testing purpose only. For production, you to purchase the license. So you should see the enterprise. So required for the audit logging in ArangoDB. So let me open the configuration file again. Go to the end, and here we'll add audit and file path. So close this one. Now prepare for the log directory and give the permission for the particular. So we have done. So nano, there's a Mac directory, then this is a log file, ownership, and there is a change mode permission. So restart the services and check the status. So active and running. Next, start the watching audit log. So let me open the audit log and let me open one more tab. SSH DPT at the 192.168.136.128. First, I will just connect to the ArangoDB. So we have connected. User is a root and authenticated. So open the auth. So done. Next, I'll create the database and use the database. So here you can see create database audit log is okay. So we have created database and in the log also we have created. Now use the database and create user. So here the create user is done. So here you can see update user, okay, audit log inside the audit log. So all the details you will get. Next, insert AQL. So I'm going to insert one row. So we have inserted, and here also you can see name is equal to Chirag and role is equal to user. Insert into this. So data is coming to the audit log. Now I'll do with the query, select query with the Arango query language. So here for you in users written you. So query we're getting and output also we got. Next we'll update filter name is equal to Chirag and update user role is equal to admin. Okay, done. So all the details, all the query we have running, we are getting. Now finally, I'm going for the delete full cut operation. So here remove the user this. Now again check with. So we don't have any data. Okay. Previously we have data because this data I'm talking about. So we have updated and deleted the finally we have deleted the data. So we don't have any data. So this is done. So now if you want to check the audit log, so we are already checking with this, we are getting the data like this. So if you want to filter with the query document only, like control C, not here. So all only the query document we are getting. Let me exit from this one. So here you can see we are getting only query document. Like that, only delete commands if you want to see. So only we have only one delete. Okay. Next, in the failure command, if you go and other details are there. So query not shown when the db.user.insert, db.user.update and db.user.remove. So log rotation, this is for the production. So you can create a ArangoDB uh, log rotation, and here we will create the audit log rotation. So daily rotate 14, compress and other things are there. So final result is this. After following this, audit logging enable, query visible in AQL, user DB plus IP track and success failure track and production ready setup. So finally, we have done the audit logging on ArangoDB. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.